Transportation and travel tickets. There are 6 international airports to get to London: Heathrow, Gatwick, Luton, Stansted, Southend, and London City Airport. Each of these airports is well connected to London, but it may be convenient to choose one over the others, considering its proximity and connections to your initial destination. Buying tickets is easy thanks to the many ticket offices and vending machines. You can find all the updated options to reach London on the official website of each individual airport. Heathrow is certainly the most convenient to reach many areas of London thanks to numerous rail options. If you land at Luton, you will need the free Luton Dart to reach Luton Airport Parkway Station. Afterwards, you can quickly reach London with the Luton Airport Express. You will find specific fast trains to London also at Gatwick and Stansted. Don't forget that services offered by Bolt or Uber are available in London. London boasts the world's oldest subway system, comprising 11 lines and 274 stations. The latter, like all the transportation services offered, is renowned for its efficiency and punctuality. To use public transportation in London, including the iconic double-deckers, you will need a travel pass. Traveling in this city is very expensive, and if you want to save money and buy the right card for your stay, you will have to consider various elements such as frequency, days, times, and areas where you will use transport. Let me preface this by saying that the Oyster card is only the magnetic medium costing £7 that you can buy at tube station machines, Oyster ticket stops, and some stations. This card is just one of the ways to make payments on the public service in London, along with contactless and physical tickets. Remember that in tube and train stations you must touch the yellow circle at both the entrance and exit so that you are charged the correct price for your journey. Once we have our Oyster, we can decide for the pay-as-you-go fare, which has a daily limit, or for a travel card subscription for 7 days, a month, or a year. The one-day travel card is a paper card only. Having said that, you can compare these fares with those required for individual routes from the official London website, which I leave you with the following description. The Visitor Oyster card, which can only be purchased online and before traveling to London, costs £5 plus postage and is only valid for the pay-as-you-go fare with the same maximum limits as a normal Oyster card. If you then consider that only the balance of the latter is refundable, we recommend buying the normal Oyster card. If you find the pay-as-you-go tariff convenient, you can also download the contactless card or mobile device payment app. Ending notes.